Hey guys, welcome to your channel. In this video, you'll learn on how to use the Microsoft Teams for presentation or how I can present PowerPoint in Teams like a pro. So first is we have to log in or sign up for an account in Microsoft Teams. Okay, so make sure that you have downloaded the app already and make sure that your PowerPoint presentation is ready. Okay, so now let's go back to the Microsoft Teams. And right here, we're going to create a meeting link, schedule a meeting, or join with a meeting link. So let's start with creating a meeting link. So we are going to name this one as campaign. Okay, and then you just have to create and copy linked option. That's right. So we already have our meeting right here. So we can now share this link or join this link. So when you click on the join option right here, you have to make sure that your camera is turned on as well as your microphone. And then just click on join. Okay, and then after that, right here at the top, you have the share option, right? So all you have to do is to click on that one. So right here, we have two different options. So we have the screen and the windows. Now you just have to click on the windows and you'd be able to see here all of the windows that you can share to your viewers. Okay, so since we already opened the PowerPoint, so we can now share this video to other users. So, when people think of Microsoft Teams, they often assume you need a paid subscription to access all the good features, especially for presenting. But the truth is, even the free version of the Microsoft Teams offers the powerful tools that let you present like a pro. So with the right preparation and a little creativity, you can deliver a presentation that feels smooth, professional, and engaging, all without spending a single cent. And again, looking professional is not just about the software. It is also about how you prepare. So before your presentation, you just have to make sure that your files are open and ready to go, like what I did. So you just have to close any distracting apps or tabs. You just have to set up your camera at eye level and make sure you have enough lights on your face. So wearing earphones or headset can also improve your sound quality and reduce background noise. And during the presentation, you just have to keep your audience engaged by using the chat box. Okay, so to answer questions or drop important links, you can encourage interaction through the reaction features like thumbs up, claps, or emojis. So these small things make your presentation feel more lively and interactive, even if you're just using the basic version of the Teams. And another smart trick is to rehearse using the Meet Now feature. So you can open a meeting just for yourself, and then you just have to share your screen. Okay, and you just have to go through your slides, and this is a great way to check your flow, your timing, and your transitions. And if you want to go a step further, use a screen recorder to capture your practice and watch it back to improve. And what makes the free Microsoft Teams really stand out is how accessible and user-friendly it is. It strips away all the complicated extras and focuses on the essentials: connecting with people, sharing your message, and staying organized. So you don't need advanced tools or paid upgrades to deliver a confident, well-structured presentation. When you say about professionalism, let's include your background. So if you don't have a good background in your house or in your current location, you can actually use the background on Microsoft. Okay, so here you just have to select your background, and again, you have to select your window. So you just have to make sure that every presentation that you're going to make, all of the tools are prepared before you join the link. Okay, so that's one of the very important things that you should remember when you are presenting using the Microsoft Teams. Okay, and then make sure that your camera is on, your audio quality is good. So again, using earphones or headset. So if you're presenting to people who might not be tech savvy, the free version of the Teams also works well because it is simple to access. So the attendees do not need to download anything. They can join your presentation straight from their browser with just a link. So this makes a great opportunity for teachers, small businesses, freelancers, or community groups who want to run smooth professional sessions without needing everyone to sign up or install apps. And another underrated tip is to prepare a digital background or blur your existing one. So while custom backgrounds might be limited in the free version, you can still blur out distractions behind you. So this helps you appear more focused and professional, especially if you're presenting from a home or shared space. Just click the three dots. So during your call, go to the device settings and adjust your background filters if available. And then confidence is key in any presentation. And the best way to build it is through practice. So, using the free Meet Now option, you can simulate the full presentation experience, practice your timing, you just have to test your visuals, and get familiar with the flow. And even you're presenting live, having already seen how things will appear on screen, it helps you reduce nerves and improve delivery. And lastly, you just have to remember that simplicity can be strongest assets. The free version of Microsoft Teams may not have all the bells and whistles, but it gives you exactly what you need: a platform to connect, to share, and speak clearly. So, with thoughtful preparation, a bit of confidence, and smart use of its core features, you can stand out as a polished, professional presenter without ever needing to upgrade. And before we end this video, I'm going to give you bonus tips. So, your appearance on camera plays a big role in how you come across. So, you just have to dress appropriately for your audience. Even if you're presenting from home, you don't need a suit, but a clean, tidy outfit and a well-groomed look instantly make you appear more credible. So, you just have to set up straight, look at the camera when speaking, and avoid distracting movements. And of course, good lighting, ideally natural light or a lamp in front of you, can make a huge difference in how confident and clear you appear on screen. And when it comes to your PowerPoint, you just have to keep transitions clean and purposeful. Avoid over flashy animations, which can be distracting. Instead, use simple fades or appear on click animations to guide your audience's focus. And that's it for this video. If you think this video helped solve your concern, please subscribe, like this video, and leave your comment below. Bye.